is your case dismissed? Or what is all involved about this? And here's what you need to know. And you may have heard this over and over again. And you're wondering, is this really right for your case? Is it worth it? Attorneys charge money for it. Number one, we've had scenarios where people come to us, call us, and they said, look, DHS, the government attorney actually agreed with me, that they agreed with the person that we spoke with, the immigrant, to dismiss their case. Then, of course, we have follow-up questions. Well, how did they agree? Did they email you back? Is there an order on file? Did you receive an order? So that, unfortunately, what happens is that, you may have received an email from a government Department of Homeland Security attorney, but they didn't file a motion to dismiss. And y'all are probably wondering, well, they told me they agree. Does that mean that they're going to give me an order? No, absolutely not. Some of y'all might have gotten lucky for good reason, but Department of Homeland Security does not have the responsibility to file that motion to dismiss for you. Okay, they don't represent you. So please know that, because a lot of people have been waiting around, thinking, and several months passed by after you got that email response saying that they agreed to it. But agreement from Department of Homeland Security is just the first step. The next step is that you have to file a motion to dismiss to the court so that the official authority, the judge, can actually make a decision and check mark, granted, approved. All right. So agreed does not mean approved or granted. In order, you need the document, a document that says order of dismissing your case. Okay. Or terminating your court proceedings. All right, so very, very important. What else you need to know? It's all about mindset, right? A lot of y'all think that you don't qualify for it, or, what's the point of even hiring an attorney? Well, that's one reason I just mentioned. But the second one is the Obama administration was not this open to get cases like this dismissed, okay? Even marriage cases, it was difficult under President Obama administration. Now, I think because President Biden had experience from President Obama's time in office, was it 8 years total? That's a pretty significant amount of experience. So, of course, he probably has so many immigration advisors that hopefully pro-immigration to understand the situation. And even if he doesn't understand, enough that he can authorize and let the Department of Homeland Security or USCIS work for the benefit of immigrants. But it doesn't always work that way, okay? So at the very least, he's done what he could as a president to authorize prosecutorial discretion in a more expansive way. Because prosecutorial discretion, I usually phrase it just PD for short. PD has always been available, okay? It's just like someone's been charged with a crime on a state level, the district attorney's office has authority to not pursue charges, but most of the time they do, right? So similar with Department of Homeland Security, they can have the discretion to not pursue the case. But in immigration court, it's not that simple, right? You still need a judge to sign off on it.